Okay, so what we have here is a 2019 Ski-Doo MXZ XRS Gen 4 platform. We're going to install the Eagle LED 12,000 lumen headlights into this tonight and do a quick test before and after how bright these make a difference in the trail. Stay tuned. This is going to work. Access that, right? You didn't even have the rectifier disconnect. So you see the how that's on a 45-degree angle. We want those to be straight up and down. So there's a little Allen screw in this light, and we're just going to adjust it.
So we need to turn it 180 from where it is, right?
And that'll be easy to do. The yellow diode that's closest to the tip of the bulb is your high beam, and the one that's furthest away on the top here, shown here, is the low beam. And when you install these, you want to make sure that when you install them, that high beam, the one that's closest to the tip of the LED, is actually on the top. We made a mistake the first time where we installed it upside down, and what happened is they worked. When it was on low beam on the LED, the actual high beam light on the dash was on the snowmobile. We just make this flip and it'll straighten everything out, lickety split. I'm just going to rotate the collar 180. That should be it. And that way that little L-shaped molding on the LED is going to be pointing up.
Is that correct now?
Perfect. Yep. Voila!
Is that correct?
That's perfect. Did that take 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Jeez. And then you go past and it slides forward onto those things there. Go back and then come forward. And then this is the tricky part, getting that molded. Oh, that snapped right in. Nice.